Welcome back, my dear students. So now in this video, we're going to be working up with the categories. All right. So you must have seen some of the e-commerce websites already where you have purchased something. And you must have seen that all the e-commerce websites contain some categories like men collection, women collection, and if you just go into more broad categories like maybe like clothing, and then more specific categories like shirts, and then there are like shoes. All right, and then there are like watches and stuff like that. So you can go ahead and you can create categories like that. Similarly, you can go ahead and you can create parent child categories as well, like for like clothing is going to be a main category, and then the shirt is going to be like the subcategory of that. Similarly, t-shirts or like sweatshirts, and these can be like subcategory of that. So you can go ahead and you can create parent child relationships between the categories as well, and this is how the categories work. Now you have got an idea of how categories work already, and you must have used some of the e-commerce websites, so you must know how categories work. That is why I do not have to explain to you like more about the theoretical part of the categories, but let me first show you like how the categories are working on our e-commerce website. So let's just go ahead and let's take a look at this. First of all, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just open up my first product that my website contains, and now you can see that if you take a look at this breadcrumb right here, which is like home, this is going to be the home page, and then we have got the category that is the uncategorized product, and now we have got this particular blue suit for men that is going to be the slug of this that is coming right here. So now this is actually telling us that this is the, like, first of all, you can go into the home, then you can go into the category, and you can then just take a look at the product. Now, categories are really very helpful to just like see a list of all the products that are in that particular category. So let's just first go ahead and let's create our first category, and then we will be able to understand like it much better. So if you take a look at the shop page, if you go back to the shop page, you can see that we have got some of the products, and what we can how many categories we can make. So the first category that we can make can be like clothing, then we can make accessories. For in the accessories there can be like this product, and this product, and then we can create a category for like electronics. All right, so we will be talking about more like broad categories. All right, we will be then going ahead and we will be understanding like the subcategories as well. So let's just go ahead and let's take a look at it. First of all, what I want you to do is to go into your dashboard. Now once you are in the dashboard, all you need to do is to go into the products, and now you have to hit category. Now once you are in here, you can see that we have got this uncategorized category that has got 10 products in it. And when you create a product and when you publish that particular product automatically goes into the uncategorized or the primary category. All right, this cannot be deleted. However, you can rename this particular category to any name you want. Let's just go ahead and let's create our first category that is going to be for clothing. All right, now what we will do is that we will go ahead and we will click add new category, and this is going to be right here. Similarly, now we will go ahead and we will create another category that is going to be accessories. And now we will click add new category, and this is going to be added here as well. The last one that we will be creating will be electronics. And now we will go ahead and we will click add new category. So now we have got 3 basic categories right here. Now let's just go ahead and let's take a look at our all products list, and let's just associate these particular products into these categories. So this one, the Rolex for men, we will just click quick edit, and now we will change its category from Rolex for men, that is uncategorized, and we will uncheck this, and now we will change it into accessories because that's an accessory. Now we will hit update. Similarly, the bracelet for men and the ring, we will just add this into a category. What we will do is that we will click edit, and now we will hit apply, and now we will change its category into accessories, and now we will go ahead and we will hit update. Now you can see that this is actually also added to uncategorized as well. So let's just click quick edit, and let's just uncheck the uncategorized, and let's hit update. Let's just click quick edit over here, and let's just uncheck the uncategorized, and let's hit update. And you can see that these are all set. Now this one, the shoes for men, what we will do is that we will click on quick edit, and now we will just add it into the clothing, and we will just uncheck the uncategorized one, and we will hit update. And the last one, we will be adding this into the electronics. Now we will not be adding this via quick edit, so that I can show you how you can do that on an edit page as well. So you can go into the edit page, and now in the all categories, you can see that we are getting a list of all the categories. So you can uncheck it and you can change it into electronics, and now you can go ahead and you can hit update. Now, if you go ahead and you take a look at like the categories right here, so if we just go ahead and we go into the electronics, and now we view this, you will see that all the electronic categories contains every product that are in that particular category. Similarly, for the clothing, if we just go ahead and we click view, then all the product category that contains clothing will be shown right here. And now if you will go ahead and you will click any of the product, you can see that we are getting clothing as a category, and this is the title of the product that's coming. And the category is actually set to clothing. Now if you go down, now you can see that we are getting a list of products that are here, and that says related product. And these related products are also coming based on what? They are coming based on the categories right here. So all the similar category will be right here coming, and this is how it's actually looking. So that was all for the category. Now let's go ahead and let's create our subcategory, and let's take a look at it. How does it work? So let's suppose that in the clothing, I want to add two type of subcategories. The first one is going to be the shirts, and the other one is going to be the shoes. So let's just go ahead and let's do that. First of all, we will go ahead and we will add. Now what we will do is that we will change its parent category to be the clothing, and now we will go ahead and we will hit add new category. And this is going to be the subcategory of this particular product category. Now let's go ahead and let's change the other one, and we will change this to bottoms. All right, and now we will just select the clothing, and now we will go ahead and we will hit add new category, and this is going to be the bottoms. Now what we will do is that we will create another category, and that is going to be shoes. And now what we will do is that we will select the parent category to be clothing, and now we will go ahead and we will hit add new category. Now once you have selected everything, now let's go ahead and let's go into our all products, and let's change those particular products that contains the clothing category. So we have got this. Now this shoes for men is actually a subcategory, a more like a specific category. So we will uncheck this and we will check this. All right. Now we will go ahead and we will hit update. Now this is also the clothing. This is actually the blue suit for men. So let's just click edit, and this one will be coming into the shirt or like the bottoms as well. So let's just keep it into the shirt just for the sake of this particular video. That is the blue suit for men. And then we've got this essentials men athletic fit stretch jean. We will go ahead and we will just select this, and we will just change it into the bottoms because these are the bottoms, and we will go ahead and we will uncheck this, and now we will hit update. And this sweatshirt for men, we will just go ahead and we will click edit, and we will just uncheck this, and we will just add it into the shirts right here, and now we will go ahead and we will hit update. Now what have we done so far? Now if you go ahead and you take a look at all the clothing categories, and now if you view this in a new tab, now you can see that we will be getting all the products. We are getting all the products. Do you know the reason? The reason for that is because whether these particular products are actually in a more specific category, but still they are actually the subcategory, and that is why they are being shown. Now if you go ahead and you refresh this page, you can see that our bottoms are 1, our shirts are 2, our shoes are 1. Now you can view this particular category either based on the like broader category, or you can go into much more specific. So let's suppose that if you are looking for the shirts, then you can go ahead and you can take a look at the shirts only as well. So if you will go ahead and you will click on it, now you can see that we have got home, then we have got clothing, then we have got shirts, and then we have got this blue suit for men. So if you will go ahead and you will click shirts, then now you are actually in a more specific category, and we are right here. Now if you take a look at the URL here, it says product category / clothing / shirts. So this is how basically it's working, and you can create parent-child categories as well. Let's just go ahead and let's select this particular category, this particular product. And now if you will go down, now you can see that we are getting for the related products only one single product. And the reason for that is because this particular related products will take a look at the more specific category only, because your more specific category should contain like some more products, like whether it can be like 8 products, 9 products. So then it will be much more easier for you to understand. But this was actually a concept. Similarly, the categories are actually also used in your menus. So let's just go ahead and let's take a look at it. What I want you to do is to go into your menu right here. And once you are in the menu, right here, you should see this product categories. If you do not see it right here, go into the screen options and make sure that the product categories is selected, and you will see that right here. Now if you will click on it, and now you will go into view all, you can see that we are getting a list of that. Now you can select all and uncheck the uncategorized, and you can hit add to menu. And now you can see that we have got accessories, we have got clothing. We can make it to be a subcategory by just bringing it to be the sub item. And now we have this electronics. And now if you will go ahead and you will let's just bring this my account page right here, contact us page right here. And now let's just go ahead and let's click save changes. Now if you will go ahead and you will click on this logo right here, you can see that we have got home, accessories, this can be the category, and then we have got the clothing that contains the subcategory, and then we have got the electronics. So let's just see if someone is actually interested in accessories. He will just click accessories, and he will be taken to the accessory category of this particular product. How cool is it? Now we are fully done with our categories. So in the next video, we will be talking about tags. Stay tuned, and bye-bye.